The story of Rohan was a young man from a small village in India. He grew up in a family of modest means, but his parents had always encouraged him to pursue his dreams. Rohan was fascinated by technology and innovation, and he spent hours reading about the latest advancements in the field. As Rohan grew older, he began to realize that his village was lagging behind the rest of the world. Many of the villagers were struggling to make ends meet, and there were limited job opportunities available. Rohan knew that he wanted to make a difference, but he was not sure how. One day, Rohan's teacher, Mrs. Kumar, approached him with an opportunity. She told him about a program that would allow him to study abroad in the United States, where he could learn from the best minds in the field of technology. Rohan was thrilled, but he knew that there was one major obstacle. He did not speak English. Rohan had studied some English in school, but he was far from fluent. He knew that he would need to improve his language skills if he wanted to succeed in the program. So he made a decision. He would dedicate himself to learning English. Rohan spent every spare moment studying English. He listened to podcasts, watched TV shows and movies, and practiced speaking with anyone who would listen. It was not easy, but he was determined to succeed. Months went by and Rohan's English skills began to improve dramatically. He started to feel more confident and he began to see the world in a new light. He realized that language was not just a tool for communication, but also a key to unlocking new opportunities and experiences. Finally, the day arrived when Rohan was accepted into the program to study abroad in the United States. He was overjoyed and he knew that all of his hard work had paid off. As Rohan settled into his new life in the United States, he was struck by the diversity and complexity of the country. He met people from all over the world, each with their own unique story and perspective. He realized that language was not just a tool for communication, but also a bridge that connected people across cultures and borders. Rohan's experience in the United States was life changing. He learned from the best minds in the field of technology and he gained a new perspective on the world. He realized that the skills he had learned, including his English language skills, were essential for success in the global economy. When Rohan returned to his village in India, he was determined to make a difference. He used his skills and knowledge to start a technology company that created jobs and opportunities for people in his community. He also created a language school where he taught English to young people who were eager to learn. Rohan's story is a testament to the power of language and education. By learning English, he was able to unlock new opportunities and experiences that transformed his life and the lives of those around him. The moral of Rohan's story is that learning English can open doors to new opportunities and help you to achieve your goals. Whether you want to improve your career prospects, travel the world, or simply connect with people from different cultures, English is an essential skill that can help you to succeed.